This on YouTube.
No. How many atheists are there with are on this porch with this thunderstorm coming?
I'm not atheist, but I'll stay out on the porch.
I'm an agnostic. Tim challenges God. Natalie challenges God.
I just flick them off.
Lightning. Yeah.
Lightning! I just saw the bolt.
We saw the ball. We saw the ball. Maybe.
Somebody's talking too much.
Okay. How many people now are believers or getting closer to being believers? No.
I really think it's a good idea to get off the porch.
Let's get off the porch. Off the porch.
Okay.